Our last award for the organization sector is the Best Startup Non-Profit Organization of the Year, NGO. It goes to Mr. Vikash Vivek, founder, 𝐈-𝐍𝐨𝐬𝐿 Foundation. Since Mr. Vikash is coming on stage, I would like to tell you that 𝐈-𝐍𝐨𝐬𝐿 Foundation that works for education, stray animals, women empowerment, and helps armed forces martyrs' family. What a glorious work that you do. And there's a little request from the organization that if all the dignitaries and beautiful guests present here can contribute as